Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hovifa Martina Sisyanti from Universitas Madura. I will explain my research. The title of my research is Analysis of Student Mathematical Representation in Solving Minimum Competency Assessment Problem based on Mathematical Ability. Okay, this presentation will discuss first introduction, second method, third result and discussion, and the last one is conclusion. Let's start with the introduction. Okay, as you can see, this is my mapping for the introduction of my research. First is mathematics has an important position in science. The importance of mathematics in science make mathematics an important science for students to learn. Therefore, mathematics is used one of the subjects that must be taught in school. Studying mathematics, there are 5 process standards that students need to have and master. One of them is representation. The ability of representation is one of the important things the student need master to support their success in the mathematical learning process. Mathematical learning process. The result of observation found by researcher at SMPN 1 Pamekasan when students were working on material exercise for two variable linear equation system found that students had difficulty understanding problem in the form of story question. It made students in how to communicate answer the question mathematically is still lacking capable. From this problem, it shows the student need to have a standard learning process, namely representation. Mathematical representation ability can be categorized into 3 forms of representation. First is the representation of mathematical equation or expression. Second, representation visual. Third, representation written word and text. When students are required to solve the mathematical problem, it is possible for students to try various representation as manifestation of their ideas and strategies. From the various forms of mathematical representation that students will use depend on individual ability because basically every student has a different mathematical abilities. In this case, the level of students who are capable of high, medium, and low. In the learning process, there are need to be an evaluation to determine the level of student mathematical ability, the extent to which students have understood the material. One of the evaluation program organized by Ministry of Education and Culture is a national assessment, minimum competency assessment, an assessment of basic competencies needed by all students in order to develop their own abilities and play an active role in society in activities that have positive value. Minimum competency assessment is used to measure student cognitive ability, where the aspects measured are reading literacy and numeracy. From the result of interview with mathematical teachers at SMPN 1 Pamekasan regarding the pilot implementation of the minimum competency assessment in the 2020 and 2021 school year, it showed that students are still not ready to face trial. Many students still feel unfamiliar with the minimum competency assessment in terms of understanding the question from content literacy and numeracy, as well as in solving the minimum competency assessment question. From the explanation, researchers are interested in conducting research with the title of Analysis of Student Mathematical Representation Ability in Solving Minimum Competency Assessment Problem based on mathematical ability in order to find out the mathematical representation of students in solving minimum competency assessment literacy numerical problem, especially in material of linear equation, two variable linear equation system, so that it can be used as a reference as an improvement in the quality of learning student readiness dealing with minimum competency assessment problem. The second, I will explain the method of the research. This research is qualitative descriptive research. This study is intended to obtain and understand information as well as provide an overview of the mathematical representation of students in solving minimum competency assessment question based on mathematical ability. The research was conducted at SMPN 1 Pamekasan. The subject in this study with our class take student of SMPN 1 Pamekasan from the academic year 2021 and 2022. Data collection technique used in study were test and interview, where the tests used were in the form of test mathematical ability and test of mathematical representation ability. The data analysis technique used in this study refer to the stage of qualitative data analysis, namely data reduction, data representation, and conclusion drawing. The research design carried out by the researchers is first the introduction phase, second planning phase, third implementation phase, fourth the data analysis phase, and research result reporting phase. Okay, the third I will explain the result and discussion. Referring to the grouping of mathematical representation ability proposed by Musakir, as you can see, this is the indicator the researcher used to become benchmark from knowing the describing mathematical representation abilities. Okay, the result for this research. First, this is the result of the answer of student with high mathematical ability, test representation ability, first test and the second test. Based on the data analysis efficiency, it can be seen that students with high mathematical ability bring up representation of mathematical equation or expression with the right answer in the first test and the second test, and the high ability student could solve problem with a visual representation indicator by being able to make a graph well. As you can see, high mathematical ability, student with high mathematical ability can use representation of expression, mathematic expression and visual with well as well with correctly, while the representation of word or written text is raised, but there are still indicators that have not been met. Okay, and the second result for students with low mathematical ability, with medium mathematical ability, as you can see, the first test and the second test of mathematical representation of mathematical, it can be seen that students with mathematical ability, with medium mathematical ability, are students bring up representation of mathematical equation and expression with correctly, but in visual representation of word is raised, but there are still indicators that have not been fulfilled, so the problem solving is still not quite right. As you can see, medium mathematical ability student with medium mathematical ability can make a graph, but it's not correct, so it's still not quite right for these two representation. And the third subject with student with low mathematical ability, based on the data analysis, as you can see, it can be seen that student with low mathematical abilities bring up representation of mathematical equation or expression and representation of word or written text, but are not precise because there are indicators that have not been met. The same thing with What research found that students could not show the correct mathematical representation and low ability students do not bring up visual representation in solving the problem given. As you can see in the first test and second test, a student with low mathematical ability answer with mathematical expression, but not it's wrong. If there is something wrong, and cannot answer with another representation. So the last one is conclusion of the research. From the result of the research that has been carried out, it shows that students with high mathematical ability are bring up the representation of mathematical equation or form correctly, but for students with low mathematical ability are still less precious in the representation of mathematical equation or expression. All students are less precious in the representation of word or written text in solving problem. As for visual representation, only students with high math ability are right according to the indicator. Students with medium math abilities has less practice in visual representation, and students with low mathematic abilities do not show visual representation. Okay, that is my representation of my research. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.